Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency and become an expert analyst? If you're serious about elevating your crypto game, then let me tell you about the Intelligent Cryptocurrency Analyst course. This course is designed for anyone who wants to master the art of cryptocurrency analysis. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this course has something for everyone. First, let's talk about what you'll learn. The course covers everything from the basics of blockchain technology to advanced trading strategies. You'll get a solid understanding of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentiment analysis. Imagine being able to predict market trends and make informed decisions that maximize your profits. One of the best parts of this course is its real-world applicability. You're not just learning theory, you're gaining practical skills that you can apply immediately. The course includes hands-on exercises, case studies, and live trading sessions. You'll get to see exactly how professional analysts dissect the market and where they spot opportunities. Worried about staying updated in this fast-paced industry? Don't be. The Intelligent Cryptocurrency Analyst course offers lifetime access to all materials and updates. Plus, you'll be part of an exclusive community of like-minded individuals who are just as passionate about crypto as you are. Networking and knowledge sharing have never been easier. You might be wondering, who created this fantastic course? The course is designed by a team of seasoned professionals who have years of experience in the crypto space. These experts have seen it all: bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. They're here to guide you and share their wisdom so you can navigate this volatile landscape with confidence. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost? The course is available at a competitive price, and considering the value it offers, it's a no-brainer. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So, if you're ready to become a master in cryptocurrency analysis, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to enroll in the Intelligent Cryptocurrency Analyst course today. Your future in crypto starts now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto content. Catch you in the next video.